Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, which entertains you with a lot of amazing content. Here in our today video, we are going to talk about networking for business success, tips and tricks. Let's get started. Welcome to our video on networking for business success. Whether you're just starting out or you're a seasoned entrepreneur, networking is an essential part of growing your business. In this video, we're going to give you some tips and tricks to help you make the most of your networking efforts. Networking is all about building relationships with other people in your industry. It's about connecting with people who can help you grow your business and vice versa. But it's not just about handing out business cards and collecting contacts. It's about building genuine, meaningful relationships with people. So, what are some key tips for networking effectively? Tip 1. Be prepared. The first tip is to be prepared. Before you go to a networking event, make sure you have a clear understanding of what you're looking to get out of it. Are you looking to find new clients? Meet potential partners? Get industry insights? Whatever it is, make sure you have a clear goal in mind. This will help you focus your efforts and make the most of your time. Being prepared for business success is essential for achieving your goals. This includes having a clear vision and mission for your company, a comprehensive business plan, and a strong understanding of your target market and competition. Additionally, it's important to stay up to date with industry trends and developments and to be open to learning and adapting as your business grows. By being well prepared, you can set your business up for success and achieve your long-term goals. Tip 2. Be yourself. The second tip is to be yourself. People can tell when you're not being genuine, and it can be off-putting. So, be yourself and let your personality shine through. This will help you make more meaningful connections with people. Being yourself is key to business success. When you are true to yourself and your values, you will be more authentic and genuine in your interactions with others. This will make it easier for you to build strong relationships with your customers and partners, and it will help you to establish trust and credibility. Additionally, when you are comfortable in your own skin, you will be better able to tap into your creativity and come up with innovative ideas that will help your business grow. In short, being yourself is essential for business success in 2023 and beyond. Tip 3. Listen more than you talk. The third tip is to listen more than you talk. When you're networking, it's important to remember that it's not all about you. It's about building relationships with other people. So, take the time to listen to what others have to say. Ask them questions and show genuine interest in what they do. This will help you build stronger, more meaningful relationships. Additionally, by listening more than you talk, you can build stronger relationships with your stakeholders and create a culture of open communication and collaboration. In the business world, it's essential to understand what others are saying and to be able to respond appropriately. This will lead to better results and ultimately success. Tip 4. Follow up. The fourth tip is to follow up. After you've met someone at a networking event, make sure you follow up with them. Send them an email or give them a call. This will help you stay top of mind and keep the relationship going. In addition, regular follow-up can help to identify any issues that may arise and to provide a solution before it becomes a problem. Tip 5. Network online. The fifth tip is to network online. With the rise of social media, it's easier than ever to connect with people online. Join industry-specific groups on LinkedIn, Twitter, and Facebook. Connect with people and engage in conversations. This will help you build relationships with people you might not have been able to meet in person. In addition, by participating in online communities, you can learn from the experiences of others, share your own knowledge, and grow your business. By networking online, you can open up new opportunities and take your business to the next level. Networking online can be just as effective as networking in person. In fact, it can be even more effective in some cases. So, don't underestimate the power of social media when it comes to networking. These are just a few tips and tricks for networking effectively. Remember, networking is all about building relationships with other people in your industry. It's about connecting with people who can help you grow your business and vice versa. So, take the time to prepare, be yourself, listen more than you talk, follow up, and network online. With these tips, you'll be well on your way to building a strong network and growing your business. Thanks for watching. We hope you liked the video, so please give a thumbs up and do subscribe to our channel for more interesting content.